Sara and her kitchen. Sara is a young woman who loves to cook in her kitchen. Today, she is making a delicious meal. First, she goes to the grocery store to buy some ingredients. She purchases chicken, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Then, she returns home and starts to prepare the food. Sara washes the vegetables and peels the potatoes and carrots. Next, she chops the onions and starts to fry them in a pan. After that, she adds the chicken and lets it cook for a while. While the chicken is cooking, Sara slices the potatoes and carrots and boils them in a pot of water. She also adds some salt and pepper for flavor. When the food is ready, Sara serves herself a plate and starts to eat. She finds the meal to be very delicious and enjoys every bite. After finishing her meal, Sara cleans the dishes and washes the pots and pans. She also wipes down the countertops and puts away the leftover food in the fridge. Overall, Sara has a great time cooking in her kitchen and is proud of the delicious meal she has made. She looks forward to cooking more meals in the future. Sara loves to cook in her kitchen. One day, she receives a call from her mother who tells her that she and her father will be coming to visit the next day. Sara is excited and comes up with a special menu for her mom. The next day, Sara wakes up early and goes to the grocery store to buy ingredients for her special meal. She decides to make lasagna, salad, and garlic bread, which are her mother's favorites. As she cooks, Sara's parents arrive at her house. They can smell the delicious aromas coming from the kitchen and are excited to see what their daughter has prepared for them. When the meal is ready, Sara serves the food to her parents. They all sit down together and enjoy their meal, talking and catching up on old times. After dinner, Sara's parents thank her for the delicious meal and compliment her on her cooking skills. They are proud of their daughter and feel blessed to have her in their lives. Sara is thrilled to see her parents happy and satisfied with the meal she has cooked. She feels grateful for the opportunity to spend time with them and make them feel loved and appreciated. She looks forward to more visits and more opportunities to cook for her loved ones.